Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your um, apps on LDPLayer. How did I reach here? So let me try to actually go back to the start, okay? Let me go back to the start. So this is my LDPLayer. It has a lot of apps. Okay, so if you want to update an app, what I advise you is you kind of search any app that you see here, okay? Let me just say Speedman. Okay, just search any app that you see or just search the app that you want to update. All right, so let me click on this. It will load like this. Okay, to open it. Okay, remember I'm interested in updating the apps on my LDPLayer. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this download icon which you see on the top right. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. When you click on the download icon, you're going to actually find apps, several apps, download management, and you're going to look for the tab which is saying app update. Okay, there's download management, app update, app management, APK management. You just click on app update. When you click on app update, you realize you see a lots of apps which are there. Actually, it will load all the apps which have updates. Okay, if you don't see your app in the app update section in the app update tab, it means your app doesn't have an update. Okay, so in case here I just want to update maybe Dragon Pass, I can just click on update, something like that. So as easy as that. Okay, 10, 11 or something like that. So if you want to update this, you just click on update. Okay, so that's how you can update any app in LDPLayer. Let me know in the comments if you find a problem. I will appreciate if you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, you even get a notification install succeeded. So if an update is actually made, then you get actually a notification. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.